Welcome back to TechVanta. Today, we're comparing two budget-friendly Samsung devices that pack a punch: the Samsung Galaxy A55 and the Galaxy S24 FE. If you're after a Galaxy phone without blowing your budget, this showdown might help you find the right fit. First off, let's talk about the prices. The Galaxy A55 starts around €350 for the 128GB or 8GB variant, while the Galaxy S24 FE will cost about €550 for the same configuration. Now, the S24 FE is clearly the more premium option, but does it justify its higher price tag? Let's go through each area to find out. In terms of design, both devices are similar in size and weight. The Galaxy A55 and S24 FE weigh around 213 grams, making them sturdy in hand. However, the S24 FE edges out with some design perks, like its IP68 water resistance, compared to the A55's IP67 and a tougher Gorilla Glass Victus Plus back. Both phones feature durable aluminum frames and under-display fingerprint sensors, giving them a premium feel for their price range. Moving to displays, the A55 and S24 FE both sport Samsung AMOLED screens with a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. The Galaxy A55 screen is a bit smaller at 6.6 inches compared to the S24 FE's 6.7-inch display, but both offer the same full HD Plus resolution. Where the S24 FE shines is in brightness. In auto mode, it hits 1,372 nits, much brighter than the A55's 1,010 nits. That difference is noticeable when viewing in bright light. Now, battery life. The Galaxy A55 packs a slightly larger 5,000 mAh battery compared to the S24 FE's 4,700 mAh. This gives the A55 a slight edge in active usage scores, thanks to the larger battery and more efficient chipset. Both devices charge at 25W, but the S24 FE adds 15W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging features missing from the A55. Charging times are close, but the A55 completes a full charge a bit faster due to its efficient battery and charging cycle. Speaker quality. Both phones deliver good audio quality with their stereo speaker setups. In tests, the S24 FE scored slightly higher for loudness and clarity, especially in the higher frequency ranges. If you listen to a lot of music or podcasts, the S24 FE speakers might make for a slightly better experience. Performance is where the S24 FE pulls ahead. Powered by the Exynos 2400E chipset, it offers nearly double the performance of the A55's Exynos 1480 processor. The S24 FE's higher RAM in its base model, better storage options, and 7 promised OS upgrades compared to the A55's 4 make it a strong choice for power users and those looking to future-proof. For everyday tasks and light games,